In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Jotform Report Builder. This tool is a fantastic way to create professional reports from your form data, allowing you to customize and showcase insights effortlessly. So, whether you're using it for business, academic, or personal projects, Jotform Report Builder has you covered. Let's dive right in and get you started. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser and search for Jotform. Once you find their website, you'll want to log in with your existing credentials, or, if you're new to Jotform, you'll need to sign up for an account. Signing up is straightforward, and you'll just need to provide some basic information. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Now, take a look at your dashboard and head over to the My Forms page. Here you'll find all the forms you've created. Look through your list and select the form data you want to build a report for. Once you've found the right form, click on the More option next to it. This will give you a drop-down menu where you'll select Open in Reports. This simple action will lead you to the Report Builder interface where all the magic happens. In the Report Builder, you'll be asked to choose the type of report you'd like to create. Depending on your specific needs, you can opt for a visual report, which is great for presentations, an Excel report for detailed analysis, or perhaps another format that suits your purpose. Take a moment to consider what type of report best showcases your form data. Once you've selected your report type, you'll see a left-hand menu filled with various elements you can add to your report. These elements include text boxes, images, charts, and grids, all designed to help you personalize your report. Customizing your report is key to making it visually appealing and easy to understand. You can adjust colors and fonts to match your branding or personal style and organize the layout in a way that best presents your data. When it comes to including data in your report, simply drag and drop the form fields you find relevant. This functionality makes it so intuitive to include specific data entries without any technical hassle. Once you have all the elements in place, it's time to preview your report. Take a good look to ensure everything is just as you want it. If satisfied, you can decide whether you'd like your report to be public, allowing anyone with a link to see it, or keep it private for only select eyes. Finally, it's time to publish your report. Once published, Jotform provides you with a shareable link. This link is the key to quickly distributing your report to stakeholders, classmates, or anyone else who needs to see it. And there you have it. You've learned how to create a polished report using Jotform Report Builder.